My friends, we have crossed a threshold. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future, it is the present. While past technological revolutions replaced our muscle power with machines, today's revolution directly targets our brains, the cognitive capacity at the heart of the white collar world. If you're a lawyer, an engineer, a finance professional, or do creative work, the theoretical knowledge you gained by working hard for years has now become data that an algorithm processes in a matter of seconds. So, is this the end? No, this is a career renaissance. Today, we will discuss how to turn your anxiety into strategic preparation. Many employees see artificial intelligence as a replacement threat. However, scientific projections prove this. Instead of completely eliminating your profession, artificial intelligence is transforming the specific tasks within it. Take good note of this. The real risk is not that your job will be done by an artificial intelligence. The real risk is that a colleague who uses AI to do their job will take your place. At this point, the critical question is this: what part of you can a machine not compete with? Look, the transformation isn't the same everywhere. Let's look at examples in different fields. Finance and accountant. For data entry clerks, the alarm bells are ringing. However, a financial advisor who turns data into strategic insight can increase their capacity tenfold with artificial intelligence. Marketing. Standard copywriting might be over, but for a strategist who crafts brand stories, artificial intelligence is a massive draft generating machine. Software. Junior roles that only involve writing code will face challenges. However, thanks to artificial intelligence, software architects will focus on managing the big picture. Law. While contract drafters may be replaced by algorithms, lawyers who provide ethical interpretation and build case strategies will experience their most powerful era of technology. There are three ways to become indispensable in this era. The first is artificial intelligence literacy. You must be the one who can best manage an AI assistant by asking the right questions. The second is hybrid expertise. Expand your deep theoretical knowledge with technology and data analysis skills. The third is soft skills: empathy, crisis management, and ethical judgment. These are the human strongholds where artificial intelligence is weakest. And we must strengthen these strongholds. So, where exactly do you stand in this transformation? Uncertainty breeds anxiety. So, let's put the guesswork aside. With the single-page application, for which I've shared the link right below the video, you can see your profession's automation risk with scientific graphs. You can also analyze which new fields you can pivot your existing expertise into. And you will get instant access to a 4-stage strategic roadmap prepared just for you. Additionally, you can read the comprehensive article where I delve deeper into the topics from this video on icoolmia.com. I've also left its link in the description section. When using the application, you can change the language option from the top section to either Turkish or English. Do your analysis. Share your results and your questions with me in the comments. I'll review them all one by one. But I also want to add this. If, despite all this data and analysis, you're still thinking, Mehmet, I still don't know exactly where to start, then don't hesitate to contact me for professional support and to clarify our roadmap together. Sometimes a strategic perspective from the outside is the fastest key to resolving the complexity. Remember, the future won't belong to those who fear technology, but to those who blend technology with their own expertise. See you in the next video.